So let's do some trader talk. This video is not scripted. First of all, everything I'm going to be saying here is deeply from my mind, and it is made for your own good and advice. Yeah. So first of all, risk management. Risk management is when you have to really calculate what you are willing to lose after depositing the trade. Yeah. So what you're willing to lose, you deposit it. Secondly, you're gonna now decide how much you are willing to lose on each trade. Maybe you deposit $100 and you decide to risk $20. That means you need to hit 5 stop losses to blow your account. So that's risk management. So you must first think of how much you're willing to lose before you think of how much you're gonna make on that trade. If you're only blinded by the profits without seeing the losses side, you're gonna take risks that will end you in places you can't recover from. Now, proper risk management. So risk management is just basically knowing that, yeah, everything, having your risk in the foundation. Then proper risk management is when you do your risk management with wisdom, without emotions, because there are some traders that actually they have risk management, but they don't have proper risk management. Now let me give you an example. So in this scenario, you place a trade, right, and it has gone in profit. So you are expected to move your stop loss to break even, because I mean you have gone far in profit, right? But you said no, you're not removing your stop loss to break even, and then the trade reversed and hit your stop loss. Probably you didn't even reach your take profit, and you didn't even secure any position. That's like, doesn't make sense. So immediately you go in profit, let's say like 30, 40 pips in profit, you know that price has already gone to a certain level. Set your stop loss at your entry point so you're not losing anything. So that's what I call proper risk management. Now the next thing is yeah, sticking to your strategy. So first of all, when you have a strategy, you know the win rate of that strategy. Don't just watch a video from YouTube and say, I'm good, let me go and place a trade, and then you run to the charts. No. Go back to previous price action. Everything that happened on the chart from now till whenever price started moving on the chart is available on your chart. So just go back and look for those things that you learned and check how they are working. So when you backtest, that's called backtesting. When you go through previous price action and you confirm that, yeah, this is actually doing well, then you can jump into your live charts, probably deposit your demo money first and forward test it. Then you can start with your real money, or you get a proper account. So that's strategy. Now consistency is the part that you have to show up every day. Simple. I always say this on my channel. Show up every single day. Every single day. And let me tell you about the law of manifestation. So in the Bible, there's this story of Jacob. He was keeping the sheep for his uncle, like, and then he placed a picture. The uncle told him that the sheep that are white, they are mine. The ones that have spots, they are yours, because obviously the plain sheep were more than the ones that have spots. So Jacob now arranged an image in front of the sheep whenever they are mating, and then they see this spotted picture or something like that, and then they began to give birth to spotted sheep. So he had more sheep than his uncle. And then the uncle came back and was like, the spotted ones are mine, the plain ones are yours. Simple. He changed the figure and he made more. So law of manifestation, always see what you are willing to become. Close your eyes, lie down, dream, sleep, think it till it becomes your reality. In the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill said he will sit down for 6 months before sleeping, think and imagine how great inventors of previous time past, these are people that have died, you imagine that they are coming to him and they are giving him discussion, insights, revelations, and a few months later it became a reality. Like it wasn't dream, it wasn't his imagination anymore, it became trance. So yeah, you can bring anything you want, manifest anything you want. Anybody know that has done something that you like, even the person is not on the earth right now, you can meet them in your imagination and turn this imagination to reality. So you see yourself driving your Lambo, your Rolls Royce, your G-Wagon in your mind, your Bugatti, anything you see yourself buying a house in your 20s, in 5 years from now, just keep imagining that thing every day. It's also part of the things that must make sure that nature brings that into you. These are natural laws of nature. They are not magical or something that is demonic or something. No, it's natural. Anybody can implement it irrespective of your religion, tribe, race, gender, whatsoever. I also recommend this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. You can get the audio book on Spotify. So if you're lazy to read the whole book or you're busy, rather, just go to Spotify, search it. You're gonna see a particular album. Then just put it in your ear, simple, and be listening. Bro, that book is gonna change your mind, though. So I'm not making this video a long one. I just want to talk a little bit about something. So just like and follow, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Now, the next book we are reading is a very interesting book for the 21st century. It's even titled between the title has 21st century in it, and it is so the title is Manifesting Your Dreams. No, that's just the subtitle. The title is The Secret Power of the Universe: How to Use the Law of Attraction for Manifestation, Attract Money, Health, Love, and Success. Yeah, by Jenny Loveless. Yeah. So just get the book on pdfdrive.com and let's start the journey. Thank you.